Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Gross domestic product. Gross domestic product may be defined as the money value of all the final goods and services manufactured within the domestic territory of a country during the financial year. Domestic territory includes area lying within the political frontiers, including territorial waters of the country. Ships and aircrafts operated by the residents of India between two or more countries. Fishing vessels, oil and natural gas rigs, floating platforms operated by the residents of India in the international waters. Embassies, consulate and military establishments of the country located abroad. The term gross indicates that the value of domestic product is inclusive of depreciation, that is consumption of fixed capital, and includes production by foreign companies within domestic territories. Standard of living is measured by real GDP per capita. Nowadays, service sectors provide the major contribution to country's GDP. GDP at market price, GDP MP, MP standing for market price, is determined on the basis of the prices prevailing in the market, is termed as GDP at market price or GDP at current price or real GDP and denoted by GDP MP. GDP at factor cost. GDP-FC is the final value of goods and services produced at factor cost exclusive of depreciation. Net domestic product. The net domestic product is computed as subtracting depreciation from gross GDP. So NDP-MP is equal to GDP-MP minus depreciation. So NDP is the market value of final goods produced within domestic territory excluding depreciation. Per capita income. The national income divided by population of the country is called its per capita income or average income per head. The per capita income is a rough index of the standard of living in the country as it shows the average amount of income available to its citizens. In most part of the world, the national income is distributed very unevenly among the people. The greater part of it goes to richer classes, so the majority of the people have incomes considerably less than per capita income. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.